In the freezing landscapes of northern China, where temperatures regularly dip below -30°C, most vehicles are struggling just to start their engines. But for the fourth-generation Changan CS75 Plus, the cold was merely a backdrop for a historic achievement. On January 23, 2026, Changan officially secured the Guinness World Record for the longest ramp jump by a petrol-powered SUV on ice. With professional driver Jia Qiang at the helm, the CS75 Plus launched itself off a frozen ramp, soaring through the air for a staggering 20.9 meters, approximate 68.6 feet, before landing perfectly on a separate ice-covered slope. This wasn't just a stunt, it was a brutal demonstration of structural integrity and cold-weather performance. The secret behind this record-breaking flight lies in the vehicle's core engineering. Jumping a car on ice is infinitely more dangerous than on dirt or tarmac. The lack of grip makes the approach unstable and the landing unpredictable. Changan utilized its Tianshu Intelligent All-Domain Safety System, which includes hypersensitive traction control, TCS, and electronic stability control, ESC. These systems monitored wheel dynamics in microseconds during the high-speed approach on the slippery ice, ensuring the car stayed perfectly straight before leaving the ramp. Providing the necessary thrust for a 20.9-meter jump is Changan's latest Blue Whale 2.0T engine. Paired with a robust Aisin 8-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain delivered 229 horsepower and 390 Nm of torque with zero hesitation, despite the air being thin and freezing. The 500-bar high-pressure direct injection system ensured that the fuel atomized perfectly even at -30°C, providing the explosive burst of speed required to clear the massive gap between the ice ramps. While the Guinness World Record highlights the car's toughness, the fourth-gen CS75 Plus is designed to be a refined family sanctuary. Inside, it features a massive 37-inch triple-screen cockpit and Level 2 advanced driving assistance. It boasts a class-leading 725L trunk capacity, making it as practical for a grocery run as it is capable of flying through a frozen wasteland. By combining this level of daily utility with the durability to survive a 20-meter drop onto ice, Changan has sent a clear message to the global market. Chinese SUVs are no longer just about value, they are about world-class performance. The ice jump record is a psychological victory for the Chinese automotive industry. It proves that internal combustion engine, ICE, technology is still being pushed to new heights of reliability and strength. If the CS75 Plus can survive a 20.9-meter flight and a landing on solid ice in sub-zero temperatures, it can certainly handle the daily rigors of any family on the planet.